Coming up with color palettes is hard. That's why I created this color palette from Image Generator. Now, what this does is it uses an image that you pick and it creates a color palette from it. Super simple, super easy. I definitely know that for me, I have a lot of images in my head or photos I've taken that would work great for this, and that's why I made this tool. You can see here, I'm already on the page on colorkit.co. You can also go over to tools and then go to color palette from image here. And by default, it'll just load a random image, but we can go over here and click select photo, and you can drag any photo from your hard drive here. So for example, I'm gonna drag this photo in here that is mostly greens that I've taken. And you can see here, it made a palette, perfect, a lot of great colors from this photo. And you can pick how many colors that you want to. So if you want 5 or 6. Additionally, you can export it to the ColorKit color palette editor. And here you can actually move the colors around or generate new ones. You can also create a collage, so if you want to share it to social media, I love doing this type of thing. Additionally, you can save it to your profile, and that'll actually let you bring up this palette again and use it in your projects. Additionally, with selecting your own photos, you can use a URL or you can use Unsplash. So for example, this is the featured images here on Unsplash, but let's type in fire. You can see here we have some dark, moody photos with fire. Let's open this one. And you can see here we have all the reds and browns that are in that photo. Super simple, great way to bring out color palettes from your images. And I'd love to hear your feedback, so always you could definitely use the contact form, message me anytime, and thanks for watching. See ya.